Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be covering complete joins topic in DBMS. I will explain each and every join with SQL query example. Guys, I have uploaded complete DBMS of the tutorials. I'll provide that link in description. You can watch from there. If you are watching this video for the first time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. A join is a relational operation that is nothing but operation which is applied on table. We call it as relational operation. So join is a relational operation. By using join, we can combine rows from two or more tables based on related columns or specific condition. Just for example, there are two tables. One is student table and next one is department table. I want to combine rows from this table and this table based on column condition. Yes, for example, I want to give column condition like in student table, if department number column is equal to in department table DID column, that is, if department number is equal to DID, I want to combine those rows. If you observe here department number is 1 and here in DID, department number is 1. So column condition is department number is equal to DID. As condition is satisfied, this row and this row, both are combined. This is my output. SAI1, this row, and CSE1, this row. Both are combined. Guess not only department number is equal to DID, you can give various conditions like department number less than DID, department number greater than DID, etc. And based on this condition, you will get output. So joins will combine rows from multiple tables based on column condition. It retrieves data from multiple tables as a single result. That is nothing but from multiple tables, it will give single table as output. Conceptually, all join operations are based on Cartesian product. That is nothing but whenever you want to perform join operations on two tables, at first Cartesian product is performed on the two tables. After performing Cartesian product, a new table will be generated and that new table join operation will be applied. So whenever you want to perform any join operation, at first Cartesian product is performed on the two tables and then from Cartesian product table, specific rows will be selected based on join condition. So at first I will explain what is Cartesian product. We also call Cartesian product as cross join and we will represent Cartesian product with small x symbol. So if you want to perform any join operation, at first Cartesian product is applied on two tables. For example, I want to apply Cartesian product on these two tables, that is student table and department table. So Cartesian product means from first table, we need to combine each row with all the rows in the second table. From first table, we need to select the first row and we need to combine this first row with these two rows. So SAI1 AML5, SAI1 AML5 and SAI1 CSE1, SAI1 CSE1. So from table 1, first row is combined with all rows in second table. And similarly, we need to take second row and we need to combine second row with all the rows in second table. So we need to combine Shiva2 with AML5. So Shiva2 AML5 and similarly Shiva2 CSE1, Shiva2 CSE1. So combine this row with all the rows and similarly combine this row with all the rows, which will form Cartesian product. So this is my output. Guys, this is SQL query. In order to apply Cartesian product, that is nothing but cross join. So select star means all columns. So select star from first table, that is student cross space join. This is cross join operation. Department. So select star from student cross join department. At last give semicolon. Whenever you exit this query, this is my output. So now, whenever we apply any join operation, the join operation will be applied on this particular table. I'll give examples so that you can clearly understand. Guys, joins are classified into two types. They are inner join and outer join. At first, I will explain what is inner join. An inner join is a type of join that returns only the matching rows from the two tables based on specific join condition. Guys, I already explained this example. Condition is department number is equal to DID. As there is match, this row and this row, both are combined. This is example of inner join. Inner joins will select the rows from two tables based on condition. Rows that do not satisfy condition are not included in the result. Only if condition is satisfied, then that rows are included. Thus, inner joins are classified into three types. They are Theta join, Equi join and natural join. I will explain each of them with example. Is equal to, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. All this comes under Theta join. At first, I will explain what is Theta join. A Theta join is a type of join in which two tables are combined using comparison operator like is equal to, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. This syntax, select star from table 1, join table 2. We are joining table 1 and table 2 on condition, that is table 1 dot column. In table 1 we need to select column. We need to include operator like less than, greater than, etc. And in table 2 we need to select column. Let's give example. In student table, I want to select department number column and in department table, I want to select DID column. So I want to give condition like in student table, if department number column is equal to department table DID column, I want to combine those rows. Guys, I already told before, whenever you want to perform any join operation, at first Cartesian product is performed, and on this Cartesian product table, join operation will be performed. This is how we represent this operation, that is student, this is join symbol, department. I'm joining this table and this table based on column condition, that is department number is equal to DID column. If this condition is satisfied, rows from this table and this table will be combined. This query, select star from student table, join department table on condition, that is in student table department number column is equal to in department table DID column. So student dot department number is equal to department dot DID column. At last give semicolon. This query, guys, not only is equal to, you can include less than, greater than, etc. And based on that condition, output will be generated. Here for Sai department is 1 and for DNAME CSC department is 1. Here there is match 1 1. So this row and this row both will be combined. So here from this table Sai 1 CSC 1. This is my output. So whenever I execute this query, this is my output. Similarly, same example will perform less than operation. That is, in student table, if department number column is less than in department table DID column, then I need to generate that output. This query, select star from table, that is student, join department on, guys, definitely include on clause. After writing on, table name, that is student dot department number column less than department dot DID column. At last give semicolon. Whenever you execute this query from Cartesian product table, the department number 1 and DID 5. So less than, department number is less than 5, condition satisfied. So this row will be included, and 1 1 equal, not satisfied because our condition is less than. And here 2 5, condition is satisfied because 2 is less than 5. So this row will be included, and here 2 1, 2 is greater than 1, not less than 1. So this is not satisfied. So I'll get output Sai 1 AML 5 and Shiva 2 AML 5. This is my output. Guys, theta join contains is equal to, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. If you are using condition is equal to, then we call it as Equi join operation. Select a star from student join department on student dot department number is equal to, which is Equi join department number dot DID. So whenever you get Equi join question, you can also write this example. An Equi join is a special type of theta join in which equality operator, that is nothing but is equal to, is used. It returns only rows from two tables where specific columns has equal values. In two columns there is match, then that values are included. And third one is natural join. Yes, in natural join operation there is no need of using on clause. And if you want to perform natural join operation, there must be common column names. I'll give examples so that you can clearly understand. A natural join is a join that automatically combines two tables based on columns having the same name and data type. Here there is no need of using on clause. In two tables, if column name and data type both are same, then two tables can be combined easily. I'll give example. This is example. There is student table and there is department table. Student table contains name column and department number column. Here there is department number column, and here also there is department number column, and both data types are same, that is int. So if you want to apply natural join operation, definitely there must be same column names and same data types. As condition is satisfied, now we can perform natural join operation on these two tables. So both tables have common column, that is department number with same data type. So natural join operation can be applied, and by using star symbol we can represent natural join. So student star department, that is nothing but student natural join department. This query, select a star from table name student natural join department. So my output will be name column. Here department number column is repeated twice, but it will be represented only once. So department number 1 2 and DNAME AML CSC. So this is my output. So name Sai department number 1, DNAME AML, Shiva department number 2, DNAME CSC. Guys, if you consider this example, here there are no similar columns. Here there is department number, but here there is no department number column. So we cannot perform natural join operation. Guys, in these two tables, there are no common columns. So we cannot perform natural join operation. So I will explain what is outer join. An outer join is a type of join that returns both matching and non-matching rows from one or both tables. Guys, if you consider inner join will return matching rows from two tables. But if you consider outer join will return both matching and as well as non-matching rows from one or two tables. If there are no matching values in a row, the missing values are displayed as null. Let's give you example so that you can clearly understand what is outer join. There are three types of outer join. One is left outer join, next one is right outer join, and third one is full outer join. I will explain all these joins with SQL query example. We will apply outer join operations on these two tables. If you want to perform any outer join operation, conceptually, at first we need to apply Cartesian product on these two tables, and then outer join operation will be performed on Cartesian product table. Cartesian product means at first from this table, first row is combined with all the rows in second table, and similarly second row is combined with all the rows in second table. So Sai 1 AML1 and Sai 1 CSC5 and Shiva 3 AML1, Shiva 3 CSC5. This Cartesian product. Now on this particular table, outer join operation will be performed. At first I will explain what is left outer join. Left outer join returns all the rows from left table and only matching rows from right table. If no match is found, then null values are included on right table. This syntax for left outer join. Select star from table 1, left outer join table 2. On here we need to give condition, that is table 1 dot column is equal to table 2 dot column. At last use semicolon. Now we will perform left outer join operation on these two tables, that is student table and department table. This symbol for left outer join, student table, left outer join, department. Here I am drawing two lines pointing left side, which will represent left outer join. And I want to give condition like in student table, department number column is equal to in department DID column. I want to generate output. This syntax, select star from student table, left join department. This is nothing but left outer join operation on student and department table on condition, that is in student table, if department number column is equal to in department table DID column, then I want to generate output. So in student table department number is 1 and department table DID is 1. So here there is match. Left outer join will return all the rows from left table and only matching rows from right table. If there is no match, null values are included. This is all about left outer join. This is my output. Similarly, I will explain right outer join. Right outer join returns all the rows from right table and only matching rows from left table. If there is no match, then null values are included in left table. This syntax, select star from table 1, right outer join table 2 on table 1 dot column is equal to table 2 dot column. This is how we represent right outer join. Two lines pointing right side. So select star from table 1 student, right join department, where right join represent right outer join. So right join department on condition, that is in student table, if department number column is equal to department table DID column, then I want to return all those rows. So at last use semicolon. Whenever you execute this query, I'll get output. Right outer join will return all the rows from right table and only matching rows from left table. So all rows will be included, that is AML1 CSC5 and only matching rows from left table. So here there is match 1 1. So Sai 1, 3 and 5, there is no match. So include null. This is my output. Left outer join will return all the rows from left table and only matching rows from right table. And whereas right outer join returns all the rows from right table and only matching rows from left table. Next I will explain what is full outer join. If full outer join returns all the rows from both tables, matching rows are combined while non-matching rows are included null. I'll give example. This syntax, select star from table 1, full outer join table 2 on table 1 dot column is equal to table 2 dot column. This symbol, two lines pointing left side and right side. This SQL query, select star from student table, full outer join department table on condition, that is in student table, if department number column is equal to department table DID column, this condition match, I want to get that output. So at last use semicolon. Whenever you execute this query, I'll get output. At first we will include all rows from left table. So Sai 1, Shiva 3. Here there is match 1 1. So include this AML 1 and 3. There is no match 3. So include null. And if you observe this table, in this table, this column is missing CSC5. So just include that CSC5 and here also there is no match. So include null. So full outer join contains all rows from left table and right table. And if there is match, we will include those values. And if there is no match, null values are included. This is my output for full outer join. Guys, MySQL software will not support full outer join operation. So if you want to perform full outer join operation in MySQL software, you can use union operator by combining left join and right join. Left outer join operation, union, right outer join operation. So if you want to perform full join operation in MySQL software, you can use union operator by combining left and right outer joins.